Hello, how to solve for s in this equation 9 to the power of x plus 1 minus 9 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 20. Now take note of this, that if you have minus 1 plus 2, this is equal to 1. Then we can replace this 1 by minus 1 plus 2 here. That is, we have 9 to the power of s minus 1 plus 2 minus 9 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 20. Now here, if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Then this can be written as 9 to the power of s minus 1 multiplied by 9 square minus 9 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 20. Now here, 9 to the power of s minus 1 is common. Let's bring it out. 9 to the power of x minus 1 bracket. If you divide the whole of this by this, we have 9 square minus, if you divide the whole of this by this, we have 1 is equal to 20. Then here is 9 to the power of s minus 1 bracket 9 square, that is 81 minus 1 is equal to 20. Now here we have 9 to the power of x minus 1 bracket 81 minus 1, that is 80, is equal to 20. Then here is 9 to the power of x minus 1 bracket 80. Let's divide both sides by 80 is equal to 20 divided by 80. This will cancel this. Then 20 here, 1, 20 here, 4. Here we have 9 to the power of s minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 4. We can take the log of both sides. This is log 9 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to, this can be written as log 4 to the power of minus 1. Here we have s minus 1 log 9 is equal to minus 1 log 4. Then here is, let's divide both sides of this equation by log 9 divided by log 9 divided by log 9. This will cancel this. S minus 1 equal to minus log 4 divided by log 9. Now s minus 1 is equal to minus log 4 can be written as log 2 square divided by log 9 can be written as log 3 square. Then s minus 1 is equal to, here is minus 2 log 2 divided by 2 log 3. This will cancel this. S minus 1 is equal to minus log 2 divided by log 3. S is equal to 1 minus log 2 divided by log 3. Therefore, S is equal to 1 minus log 2 base 3, and this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.